All right, back at it. It's a Friday, which means, let's chat up with one of my favorite people to meet on a Friday. DJ Martin D'Souza's on the phone lines. Dude, good morning.
Good morning, Kay.
This is Good Morning Bangalore with Kay. 94.3.
It's great to speak with you. Of course, you've been doing some fun stuff. I've been watching your Instagram. You did that Instagram live with Jane. You, of course, did a little duet with your sister at home, and I loved that. That was so nice, man.
Yeah, that was fun. I don't get to do that often, but it was good fun.
You know, I think both of you give each other such competition, on the mic, like, honestly. Like you as a karaoke jockey, she's got a beautiful voice. But, Martin, you've been DJing for what, 10 years now? Am I right?
Actually, I've been hosting karaoke for about over 8 years now, 8 to 9 years. But
Right.
I've been DJing for about 6 years now, yeah.
6 years, right. So in totality, your career is, 14 odd years if you, count them both together.
Yeah.
In karaoke and DJing as well. So dude, what's your, say for example, someone's listening to this and they want to pick up DJing and come out of quarantine as, I don't know, a DJ. What's your top 3 things that they should be doing?
Very basic things. I know everybody's sitting at home, so the access is very limited. But, there are a lot of lessons up online which people can follow. See, 2 aspects to this, K, that a few people, if you have the kind of money or resource to spend, then of course you can take up online courses, and there are a lot of great online courses that you can sign up for, which span across, say, a month or 2, and you can pick up your basics of DJing. At the same time, there are also lessons on YouTube for free, which you can take up and still learn all your basics. But of course, you're not going to have the equipment at home.
Sure.
You need to keep that in mind, because you still need to practice before you get onto a club or a pub to start DJing. But you can utilize this time and at least picking up your basics. So once the lockdown is done,
Sure.
you can reach out to clubs, pubs, or DJing schools and access the equipment to practice.
When we come back on the other side, I actually want to talk to you about this whole scene for the nightclub circuit in Bangalore and how that's doing and how we can expect or what we can expect after quarantine. Can we talk about that on the other side? Yeah.
Of course.
All right. Back with DJ Martin D'Souza in just a bit. My name's Kay. Remember to stay at home and stay strong. All right, I'm back at it. It's a Friday morning. I would love to say I'm going out to party, but Martin, I think you would love to say that as well. But, we're all in lockdown. It's the harsh reality. But I think we're making pretty good use of it. Don't you agree?
Yeah, I agree. I agree. And, great big shout out to the Radio 1 team actually for keeping us entertained throughout this lockdown period. Because I know you guys are working from home and still doing this.
This is Good Morning Bangalore with Kay. 94.3.
Yeah, we are. Thanks, man. And honestly, you've been a guy who's toured the nightclub circuit for many, many years, 8 odd years, and you've seen Bangalore kind of evolve as a nightclub joint, and the gigs, the frequency of gigs have increased for you, the types of gigs have changed, and of course you're traveling not only across India but sometimes to other countries as well to kind of DJ. What's the scene? What can we expect, man? Once we come back from the night, from this whole quarantine, say COVID is done, it's dusted. What can Bangalore expect from the nightclub circuit?
Honestly, before going into this lockdown, Bangalore was facing a lot of nightlife related issues already. And that was a bit worrying for all of us. And, there were still a few clubs, pubs still functioning because of the music license issues, right? So what I think will happen once this opens up is that, there are very limited number of venues that can play music. So people are going to rush to these places. It can work 2 ways, right? Because people during this entire period have been so frustrated sitting at home. They just need to let loose and they need to go have fun. So I have a feeling that weekend when this opens up is going to be quite crazy across all pubs and clubs in the city. It's going to be a mad rush. It can work the other way around because now people are so broke. And, I know unfortunately a lot of people have lost out on jobs, have taken pay cuts. They'll probably enjoy that weekend and then go slow the next week. So it can work. It can work both way around. So let's see. I'm just hoping for the best. I just hope we come out in full glory and the entertainment is still at a high. And it helps kind of people ease the pressure.
Right. You know what? I couldn't agree with you more. I think that weekend that we're back is going to be like a blow-up weekend. It's going to be a mad weekend, and everybody's going to be throwing parties, man. everybody's going to be throwing parties.
Yep.
My only shout out to everybody listening in is, if you know that Martin, if you follow him on Instagram and you know where he is doing his gig that day, trust me, it will not be let down. It will be a rager of a night. So make sure you head there.
Yay. Thank you, K.
But for that, of course, you got to follow him on Instagram. Like, for sure, you have to follow him on Instagram.
Thank you so much, K.
My pleasure. On the other side, when we're back, I wanna talk about this another big thing with Martin. We'll chat about that super soon. We'll be back super shortly. My name's K, reminding you to stay home and stay strong. You know, it's a Friday, and usually what we'll be doing on a Friday is going out to party. At least I would be. Let's make it feel like a Friday for you, which is why the one and only DJ Martin D'Souza is on the phone lines with me.
This is Good Morning Bangalore with K. 94.3.
If you're just about tuning in, it's 94.3 Radio 1. It's One World, your station. What's up? My name is K, broadcasting from the comfort of my home. And Martin, even though he seems like he's right next to me, is in the comfort of his home chatting with me. What's up, man? Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, K. How's it going?
Good, man. I watched a little Instagram live session with Jane. And I was like, oh, geez, like, you know, I realized how much I miss you and miss your gigs more than anything else, I'm sure. Like a lot of people.
Man, I miss you too, man. I miss you too, K. Man, we really have to catch up once this is done.
Seriously. How badly are you missing the DJ circuit? Like, you're out pretty much the whole week, like most of the week at least, you know?
Yes.
You got people grooving to your tunes. How does that feel when you're sitting at home? What are you looking forward to the most once you get out of quarantine?
So honestly, I really do miss being behind the console, and that is something that's been getting to me.
Sure.
But I've been trying to utilize the time as much as I can. So I've been mixing music at home. I've been learning new things with music. So I've been spending all my time with music as well, even though I'm at home. And I never get to do this. Like you said, I'm usually out every night working or I'm traveling.
Sure.
So it's very, very different. It's a contrast for me.
That is exactly the reason why I wanted to talk to you today. DJ Martin D'Souza, by the way, if you don't know about him, he's one of the best, in my opinion, disc jockeys and karaoke jockeys that Bangalore has to offer, and probably in India as well, if I'm making a big statement right there. So how does he do it? How can you get on that bandwagon? Say if you want to pick up a new hobby, if you want to come out of quarantine, DJ. Well, we'll chat with him a little bit more on the other side. Martin, you got some tips and tricks up your sleeve that you want to share with everyone, right?
Of course.
All right. Come back in just a bit. My name is K. It's Good Morning Bangalore, and this is, of course, Radio 1. Stay home and stay strong. All right, welcome back. It's a Friday, which usually means that you want to go out and party, but because of the scenario we're in, we're bringing the party to you, which is why DJ Martin D'Souza is right here on the phone lines with me. What's up, Martin?
What's up, K? How's it going?
This is Good Morning Bangalore with K. 94.3.
Not too bad at all, man. Not too bad. It's good to speak with you, of course. We've, had Martin's been like associated with Radio 1 on multiple occasions. He's done multiple things for us and with us.
Yeah.
We've had ball every time we party with Martin. But more than anything else, Martin, like, you know, you've been a DJ for 6 years, a karaoke jock for 8 odd years. It's a long tenure. When you quit your 9-to-5 job and you started doing this, I still remember that story that you told me about how you did it. In a time like this of COVID-19, it's very important, I think, and very vital for everybody to support their local artists out there.
Yeah.
What's your shout out to Bangalore on like how they can do that?
So a few things, a lot of the artists have been putting out a lot of content online in these last few days. So I think the greatest support they can receive right now is if you can make some time, get online, watch what they're doing, just be there for them, because I think artists also during these tough times, they're not making money financially. So whatever content they're putting out there is still a lot of hard work, and you're not economically getting compensated for it. But what we can do, I think, as a support system for these guys is to watch them live, give them our feedback, just be there for them to keep this entire environment positive for all the fellow artists, for all the local artists. And I think people are doing a great job of it already. A lot of my peers, a lot of my seniors are leading the way, and they're doing this every day. And it's great to see so much music out there, so much content out there for people to follow and to listen to.
Right. And I'm going to add one more point on that. I'm going to say, like, if you come across a local artist, like say a Bangalore DJ or a karaoke jock for that matter, share their stuff on your platforms. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the share button and share the love. And of course, once you finish finished listening to this conversation with me and Martin, hit him up on social media and show him a little bit of love as well. All the very best, man. Like, I'm waiting for us to come out of this so that we can, have a ball together. For being that guy who kind of, is like, I think, one of the faces of Bengaluru's artists. I think we're kind of waiting to come out of this so that we can all, party together with you.
Thank you so much, Kay. And again, thank you so much for this call. It really helps us as artists to kind of, stay positive and kind of get through this entire period and come out absolutely guns blazing. So, hoping for that.
Super. Cheers, buddy. Thanks so much.
Cheers, Kay. Thank you so much.